Hey yo, what's up people, this is Ajish Nair and you're watching The Real Men Show. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing good.
Today is going to be a collaboration video with NgelRodzTv. He will show you how to cut your own hair.
So without wasting any further more time, let's get straight into the video.
Bienvenidos a NgelRodzTv. Un cordial saludo a The Real Men Show. Gracias por tenerme el día de hoy. Y en este video les mostraré cómo me corto el cabello.
For those who okay. For those who